What's up everybody, Chris here with another card opening video. Today we have 2020 Topps Chrome Black, super sharp looking cards. Now I bought these directly from Topps, $150 per box, which is a lot cheaper than what a lot of breakers were breaking these for, so definitely a good deal here. We're going to get one encased card in every box and three other cards, one which should be a parallel. So let's get right into it. Open these three boxes, received directly from Topps. Number 2 and number 3. So like I said, 4 cards per box. Should be a pretty quick open. There's some of your stats. If you can want to see those, you can pause and look at them. Get some glare there. So let's just get right into it, get these opened up. So obviously we're looking for a nice hit on one of the encased cards. It's really hit or miss with this product, unless you're opening a full case. I always try to buy just more than one box, just to help the odds a little bit. Get that encased card out of the back. So let me just open all these up real quick, fast forward through this, and we can get right to the cards. All right, let's see what we got here. We'll save the encased for last. Let's open these base cards, see what we get. So these are all going to be solid cards too, numbered cards. All right, Xander Bogaerts is our first one. Hometown guy for me. Just really sharp cards. I love the matte look on these. So that card is not numbered, just a base card. And then we have a Josh Bell. And our refractor is a Trey Mancini. And that is numbered 69 out of 199. All right. Next pack. Jacob deGrom, stud pitcher there. Yu Chang, another solid player. And Trevor Story, refractor. That's just a sharp card, the rainbow effect there. And that is numbered 54 out of 199. All right, final pack, and then we'll get to the encased cards. That's what everyone wants to see. All right. We got a Aristides Aquino. Nice rookie card there. So you are going to get a lot of rookies in this too. I haven't been calling those out. And then we got a Wilson Contreras. Sharp card. Kyle Lewis, there we go. Solid rookie hit right there. Can't be disappointed about that. That is numbered 54 out of 75. If there's any good value cards here, I will throw the comps up on the screen. And if you're interested in any of these cards, let me know. Let me know what your favorite card is in the comments. Drop a like, subscribe, so make sure you don't miss my next card opening video. All right, let's get to the encase. So here's the first one. It's a Colorado Rocky. And it's a vet. It's a Larry Walker. Larry Walker, stud back in the day. It's an orange parallel, number 11 out of 25. You can see it right there. Larry Walker. All right, next one. We have a Philly, a hitter. A Rhys Hoskins. Nice card there. Just a sharp card with the matte black in general. And then our last card of the opening. We got a rookie. It's a Ranger. And it's a Nick Solak. Solid rookie there. So we didn't hit a huge rookie, but solid product nonetheless for $150 a case. A box, that is. That Kyle Lewis was a nice card. So we got a Kyle Lewis, a Solak, Rhys Hoskins, and a Larry Walker. The Solak, see, is that numbered? It is not. So the Larry Walker is the numbered card out of 25. So that's it. Topps Chrome Black. Super cool looking product. Hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe for future updates. Any questions or comments, let me know below, and I'll talk to you guys again soon.